In this video, we are going to show you how to install Loox Product Reviews app on your Shopify account. Now, if you want to add this app, it's actually pretty simple. All you need to do is, of course, you need to be signed into your account. And once you are logged in, this is going to be your admin dashboard. I want you to look at your left-hand side. Over here, this is going to be your main menu. I want you to click on apps, right? So if you click on apps like so, this small pop-up will appear on the top, and this is going to be your search bar for your app. So here I want you to type in Loox like so, and it's going to be the first option here, Loox Reviews. So you want to click on this and a tab will appear on your browser. This is going to bring us to the Shopify App Store where Loox is located. So as you can see, you can install it just like any other app. So click install. There you go. Another tab will appear. So here it's either going to be automatically installed or it's going to ask you to install it again. So as you can see, it's going to ask you to install or click install one more time. So click install. Now here, this is going to be installed on your Shopify apps section. Wait for it to load. And there you go. Loox is now available. And as you can see, you can use Loox for free, but there are paid options here. So yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.